guys, Happy New Year. Today we're going to build a light detector and it was around €2. And when you're finished, it's gonna look like that, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. And for an example, when you're done building, you can just put it in a drawer that has very important stuff, and your brother likes to get in and takes the stuff and open them. You just have to build a kit and put it in and close it, and if he goes in and takes them, it's like an alarm. And let me show you the parts now. So this is the kit. Let me open it, and I'm going to group the parts together. So these are the instructions, and these are all the parts, and I'm gonna tell you them. The battery holder, pot, transistor, PCB, capacitor, speaker, sensor, and resistors. And this is the tools that we're gonna use. So this is the soldering iron, and it's really hot, as the last video I told you about it, and this can melt it. And if it's dirty, you can just put water there and clean it. And that's the tools that we're going to use. So now I'm going to show you the sign of the transistor. So now I'm going to show you something, and there's this plus on the speaker here, and it says BP here, and the plus has to go on it like that, and you have to take some blue tack to put it on so it doesn't wobble while you're trying to glue it on. But then you just have to take these with the soldering iron clipping things, and you just have to take the soldering iron and you just stick them. So this is how the kit looks when it's finished. So we figured out it works the opposite way. We have a fridge with a light here. If the fridge does not work, the light turns off and this beeps. And if it's on, it works. So if it's facing to the light, it's not off, it's on. But if it's at the dark, the alarm's off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.